Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, another CDI box we're gonna try that we also bought from Amazon. Also for $8.
$20.
$20?
Yeah, that one's expensive.
Dang. Okay. We're gonna try it on these units and see which one likes it the most. And then also today, the clutch is feeling a little weird on initial engagement, so of course we have to get the 13 grammars in there. So we'll do that. Well, we'll do the CDI box. I'm sure we'll do this after that. And on a few of these videos, we've had a guy message us, 895. He messaged us, told us he was gonna get a moped, and he got it now. He said that he's gonna get a CDI box. But I see that these videos are helping people. If they're helping you, give this video a like and a thumbs up. Now that A95 is such a loyal watcher, I think we're gonna set him up with some stickers, right?
Yeah, we'll try and get him some merch.
You know, he was the first one to actually, you know, go, communicate and commit and buy a moped because of our videos, he said. So, I mean, the support's awesome from him, and I'm glad that we're supporting your guys' habit too.
Yeah. So, A95.
Yeah, A95.
Get a hold of us on Instagram. It'll be in the link.
Message us specifically, but everybody else too. Feel free to comment and tell us what you guys got going on or what you're doing because of what we're doing. All right, let's get into this thing. Let's try this again. Hopefully this one runs. This one. Oh, look at how similar in size these two are. Whoa. Promising. Promising. And here's the dial. There's a dial on this one too. I believe it's for advancing the timing. It says 1 and 3. Do you know what that means?
No, I have no idea what that is.
Should we just crank it first?
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's gonna fit right in its rightful home right away. Oh, look at that. It even matches too. Yellow. Cool.
But the lights came on this time. You know, the gauges are working right away.
Did they? Oh yeah. All right, so that's one step in the right direction.
Yep.
Oh.
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 Okay. It runs on this one. Dude.
All right.
All right.
We'll let this thing warm up and
take it for a spin.
Hopefully it goes 70. Gets really good traction now for some reason. We cranked it. Let's see what happens.
Oh, it's getting brisk out here.
52?
52?
What was it?
53.
It helps out of the hole for sure.
It helps out of the hole, like it accelerates faster, but it doesn't go faster.
No. It definitely right off the hit gets like that.
Yeah. 0 to 10 is
0
much
to 10.
quicker.
Yep. 0 to 10 for sure. Alright, should we go back?
Yeah, let's go get these Variator weights in.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
These Variator weights are supposed to make it accelerate quicker, but go slower top end as well, because they're a lighter weight, so it should let it engage faster.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is if all the plastic's there on
If all the plastic's there. So
which this one only has...
Yeah, it doesn't have that many miles.
Yeah, check it. I bought it with like 706. I put 200 miles on it.
Yeah. Well, I mean,
not quite 1,000, so it shouldn't be as chewed up as that four-wheeler.
That's the Jeep, yeah. That thing probably had, I don't know, 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it when we got it.
Did we show those things?
No. we didn't do that.
Here's all that's left of them.
Yeah, is there any, do you have some of that left?
This is all
You
that's
kept
left.
it? Yeah, the plastic coating on the outside is completely
There's
gone.
usually like 4 millimeters or like plastic around the outside of it.
Like, just look at these. So these, the blue piece in the middle,
That's metal,
and then,
aluminum,
yeah.
some kind of metal, and then it's the plastic on the outside. Yeah.
We're starting by taking off his stock airbox. I don't think you need to do this, but it just gives you some extra room when you're working here. Gotta take the kickstart arm off. Usually takes a little persuasion. It's coming! Slowly, but surely!
Put that in there so we don't lose it. Cause I'll lose it. So if you run this continuously long enough, all the bolts will come out.
Perfect. Nice. Yeah, that gasket is seen better days. It just falls. Dude, all of them do the same thing. Oh, here comes a nug. It's a nug.
Hi, Lewis. Oh, okay. That's nice. So that's why you want to organize your bolts so your dog can come in and mess them up. Thanks, Lewis.
Thank you, boy.
This bolt is a 17.
Takes a little bit of doing to get off.
Or you just buy the fuel one.
Yeah.
The fuel one always takes
There it comes.
it off. Oh, dang.
Oh.
So, this is why you want to do it right after you're driving.
Is it hot?
So here are what good weights, used weights look like. See it? Not metal, a metal sound. It has like a,
Oh yeah.
it's like a phenolic or like a really, really hard plastic around them. These ones are solid all the way through too.
Wow. Yeah, those look actually not that bad. You probably saved those.
Yeah, these are really nice ones, under 1,000 miles. So these, there's 6 of them. And ooh, so what you can do with these too, if you space them out evenly, you can mix them with the other pack and get like an in-between weight if you want. So
Yeah, that's how they fine tune them. But you got to make sure that you have 3 and 3 of each
yeah,
separated.
yeah, you have to have them evenly distributed. But we're not gonna do that.
We're going straight race
This thing
car.
should come out too, right?
I mean,
It's
yeah,
not-
preferably if you
It's
can.
not.
Perfect.
Definitely a little bit lighter.
So hopefully we'll be able to do burnouts faster.
You can write 14 grammer on that.
And they look cooler.
Yeah, they look way cooler.
It's a good thing everybody's going to be able to see them when you're driving.
And I'm facing them all the same way, so people don't make fun of me.
Masterful, sir.
I literally got out there on the 9,
Yep.
and he was like, "Hey, so the Novocaine's wearing off, and I just don't know if I can make it out there today." And I'm like, "Well, let's shoot for tomorrow." And he's like, "Yeah, why don't you guys make a YouTube video or whatever you just said?"
So you got the day off. That's not bad.
Day off, bro.
Stick your finger in there.
Nah.
Oh. She gone.
There it is.
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Fun fact, you don't need to tip your moped on its side, but you will have a hard time putting that cover back on.
Let's see if it starts or if it's flooded now.
Nice. Ooh.
It chirped it. I heard it chirp.
I think I can do a wheelie.
Yeah, the front wheel came out.
This thing's freaking sweet.
Dude.
It's hard to do without the front wheel coming off the ground.
Well, that's perfect.
Still going, so I got my crap early.
Oh my god.
Damn, that thing's fun now.
It's terrifying. I can't have a bike with more power.
So wait, we got weights on every vehicle, but this is the only one where it makes a big difference.
Yeah, where you can actually like tell. Oh my god.
That's one way. Now do a big fat wheelie right from here.
I got you, man.
Go fast. Don't die.
Look what happens when you do that many slams. Look at the mirror.
Yeah, I know.
Hello. Wheelie on a motorized vehicle.
This is the last time I had a motorized vehicle. It's been a while.
Is not gonna have a good day. It's coming down.
Is it?
I can't fucking believe
What's
it.
going on with it?
There you go. Oh, there it is. Now get out of my way.
Dancing on the ground. It's so much more responsive like the second time into the throttle.
I know you could.
I believe in you.
At least we got one of those.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're putting it.
Oh, you can't not smile and ride that thing.
Ooh, you know what that one was? That one was the. Oh, don't go backwards! Don't go backwards! So we finally have a unit that the clutch did a good job on. Oh, I watched that happen.
Bug just attacked my forehead.
I love your forehead today.
Yeah, I
You had one just chilling. It must be a warm forehead of
I got a
yours.
nice forehead.
Smells good. I think it's, just kidding. Don't put that in here.
What?
Clutch weights finally work on something. They didn't make a huge difference on this. They didn't make a huge difference on the Magic, but on the Flying Tiger, that thing is a Flying Tiger now. Does wheelies. So we're gonna have to get Robbie over here. He's the wheelie master.
He's the wheelie master.
Yeah, he's not afraid to break off my taillight. So, and the CDI box on that thing doesn't really help top speed, but on the lower end, like 0 to 10 miles an hour, definitely. And then stacked on top with the clutch, that thing is a low end monster now. In the moped world,
Yeah.
or scooter
world, moped
In the
world. Either way,
sorry.
doesn't matter. 150
Either way,
cc.
moped or scooter world,
GY6.
it's a beast from 0 to about 30 now.
It doesn't work on the 50cc. We did try it. It doesn't turn over.
And also on this one doesn't work.
Yeah, it tried to turn over on the Jeep, but it didn't really.
So yeah, the DC is what we just put in that thing. The AC is what we tried to put in it before. The blue one, the fancy one, that one didn't work, but the DC one works. That narrows it down for anybody.
We'll link that in the description if anybody wants that.
Yep.
For a 150, we know it works. A 150 GY6, not a 50.
Yep. But this is a 150 GY6.
Yeah, but it was the AC option, not
Oh,
the DC
okay,
option.
gotcha.
Yeah.
See, I'm confused and we just got done doing it. Moped, fast, cool. Now we need to get the electric truck going. With that, we need to rent a tool, a really expensive tool. Sprinkle a little electric timing in there. Maybe a little electronic nitrous. That's what we'll call it. But it's gonna go at least 10 miles an hour faster. And hopefully accelerate quicker too. The batteries are not gonna last as long for sure by doing that, but that's
okay.
fine.
Yeah. We're gonna race it anyway, so.
We're gonna rent that tool offline somewhere, and that will be in one of the next videos coming up very, very soon, I hope. Stay tuned if you guys want to see more electric truck and moped stuff. We'll see you next time.